Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So today's our maths topic is Roman numerals, and this is the last topic from your unit number 1, more on large numbers. So see here in this video I am going to explain you about the how to write Roman numerals. Roman numerals are originated in ancient Rome. Romans did not have zeros in their number system and were not aware of the place value system either. So see here, in Indian system of numeration or in international system of numeration, we have to draw the place value chart and we have to write the numbers according to the place values. But in Roman they didn't use any number or zeros, they just use the letters. So see here, there are 7 basic symbols in Roman numerals. What are they? So see here, 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. Basically these numbers are expressed in symbol in Roman numerals. So first one is written as a capital I. Remember children, we have, whenever you are going to write the 1, 2 or 3, just you have to write the capital I. If you are going to write the 1, then capital I. If you are going to write the 2, then 2 times capital I. If you are going to write the 3, then 3 times capital I. The next one is 5. 5 is written as capital V. All these letters are in capital only. 10 is expressed as X. And 50 capital L. 100 is written as capital C. 500 is written as capital D, and 1000 is written as capital M. So these are the 7 symbols. By using these 7 symbols only, we have to write any number in Roman numerals. So the next one is rules. There are 5 rules to express the Roman numerals. To write the Roman numerals, there are some rules to writing the numbers in Roman numerals. So see here, the first one rule is numerals 5, 50 and D, means 500, are never repeated. So see here, this capital V means what? 5. It is not repeated because if we want to write the 10, if we write like this 2 times 5, means you will see that 5 plus 5 10, but it is wrong, because for 10 already it is letter is there, that is X. So to write down 10, we must write the X only. We can't write this V 2 times, it is wrong. So there are some letters like 5, 50 and D, means capital V, L and D are never repeated. Let's move to the rule number 2, that is 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10. Here I means 1, V means 5 and X means 10. The third rule is similar like the second rule. X means 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100 only. So the third rule is 10 can be subtracted from 50 and 100 only. X means 10 here, L means 50 and C means 100. So the rule number 4 is 100 can be subtracted from 500 and 1000 only. Here C represents the 100, D represents the 500 and M means 1000, means 100 can be subtracted from only from 500 and from 1000. So rule number 5 is, if a smaller numerals follows a larger numerals, the numerals are added. So see here, to get understanding about the Roman numbers, I have taken examples. Here we have to write here 1 to 20 numbers in Roman numerals. So see here, as I told you, you have to remember the basic symbols. There are 7 total basic symbols of Roman numerals. So see here, first is 1. How can we write 1? Capital I. 2 means 2 times I. 3 means 3 times I. Now after that 4 will come, but remember children, we can't write 4 times I here. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because only we can repeat the Roman numbers or the Roman letters with the symbols which are used in Roman numerals only 3 times. We can repeat that. For 4 we have to write this 1 and V. This is 4. Means what? When we subtract 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore 1 comes before the capital V. This is 4. 5 means capital V. 6 means in that V we have to add 1. This is 6. 7 means capital V and I 2 times. This is 5, 6, 7. Like this you have to remember. So see here, 8 means capital V 3 times I. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 3 times it is over. We can't repeat this 4 times here. So 9 means what? After that which number will come? 10. When we subtract 1 from the 10 we will get 9. So we write it as I and capital X. 10 means capital X. So see here children, don't get confused here. 4 means what? I and capital V. When we subtract 1 from the 5 we will get 4. But in 6 we have to add plus 1 in this capital V. 5 plus 1 6. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 9 came. 9 came means we have to write down I first, then 10. Then it is 10 means capital X. So write down 11. 10 means capital X. Write down it is as it is and 1 add into that. It is 11. 12 means capital X I 2 times. 13 means capital X I 3 times. Now again 14 has come. 10, 4 means I and capital V. 15 means 10 plus V. X plus V. 16 means X and 6. 17 means X as it is and write down this 7. 18 means X, V, I 2 times. 19 means X, I, X because this is 10 and this is 9. 20 means 2 times X. Now see here children. 30. How we write 30? 30 we will write it as a capital X 3 times. 40. Remember we can't repeat the X again here. 40 means what? X, L because L represent the 50. Again I will take one example. Let us write down 78. How we will write it is? First we have to write the 50, that is L. 50 plus 20, it is 70. Then 8 means what? Capital V and I 3 times. This is the Roman numeral for 78. 50, 60, 70. 70 plus this 8 is 78. Let us take one more example. 561. Now see here. 500 is there. 500 means D. Capital D means 500. 60 means L X plus 1. This is 500 plus 60 plus 1. This is 561 means what? D L X capital I. Let us take one more example. 398. So see here, 300 plus 90 plus 8. In this way you will get better understand about the Roman numerals. 300 how we will write? 300 C capital C 3 times plus 90 means X C plus 8 means capital V and I 3 times. So see here, add these all and write on one side. C capital C, then X capital C, then capital V 3 times I. This is the number for 398. I hope you understood this one. In next video I am going to explain you about the adding Roman numerals and subtracting Roman numerals. So here is your homework. Write 1 to 100 Roman numbers in your classwork. So write down as like this. 1 means capital I, 2 means 2 times capital I, 3 means 3 times capital I, 4 means capital I, V, 5 means capital V, 6 means V capital I, 7 means V 2 times capital I, 8 means capital V and 3 times capital I, 9 means capital I, X, and 10 means X. Like this you have to solve in your class work from number 1 to 100.